Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up on Kik Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Kik app on your phone, and as soon as you open Kik, you can see something like login and join. If you already have your account, you can just go ahead and click on login, or else you can see the join icon. Just go ahead and tap on join. Accept the terms and privacy policy and go ahead and change or choose the date of your birth. So after you have chosen your date of birth, click submit. Now what you need to do is generate a username and a password. So go ahead and generate a password which you will remember. And what you need to do is go ahead and write down a password for yourself as well. Go ahead and write down a password which is secure and must contain 6 characters. So check your password once you're done, make sure it is safe and click submit. After you're done, what you need to do is write down your email address. After you've written down your email address, click submit. So now you're all set and you can see that your Kik account has now been created. You can allow notifications. Go ahead and click on allow. Now you can see find a group option is over here. You can now join the public groups over here, so you can see the movie options over here. Go ahead and join the movies group over here, or else you can find a lot of football or any groups over here. You just need to go back, search for the group, and you can now start talking to people and you can chat to people and gain new friends. I hope this video about how you can sign up on Kik was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.